French pharmacy haul, a French pharmacy haul, a French pharmacy haul. We got a French pharmacy haul and Officine Universelle Buly. Okay, I'm gonna just do them together because we all know I have too many videos and not enough time. It's so behind. Okay, so where's my hat? Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do French Pharma and Officine Universelle Buly. I'll do this first because I've done French Pharma before. We have some more unboxings for later, but this is the face care, skincare stuff I got from this place. So French haul, French pharmacy haul, French pharmacy and French health, beauty and other things all. And this has a bunch of other stuff which I can talk about separately. Well, I will talk about. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a French pharmacy haul. As I just came back from Paris, we're going to go through some of the things that I bought. Okay, so if that's if you're interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. I love French skincare. It's just very, it feels more natural as ingredients and stuff. It's like things that are banned here but you can use, I think. Things that are not allowed to be here, or it's like, it just feels better and nicer on my skin. Caudalie feels so good. I love it. Please go check it out. Please, if you can get it, go try it. I love it. This one's really special. This one's really cool. This one's really different. So we're gonna talk about this first. Okay, so this is like a very old French company. It's been around since 1803. Officine Universelle Buly, fondée en 1803. There's a bunch of stores. They got famous, or I mean, I don't know, they've been around for a while. I first saw them, my exposure was on TikTok, where they have these custom lip balms. It's like a lip balm kit. You go there, you buy a lip balm and you customize, I think, the smell or the scent, and then you can customize the outside of the box and get like your initials, different colors, different patterns, things like that. It's very cute. It's like a nice little gift. It's like 40 to 45 bucks. So it's an expensive lip balm, cheaper than Hermes, but an expensive lip balm. So we went to go see that for that. As you guys know, I was just in Paris and did a little shopping, okay? And there was a line outside. There was a huge line because it's so popular, I think, because of TikTok, there's a lot of people are there. But they also do a bunch of other stuff. That's not the only thing they do. And as we were waiting in line, we found out that they were completely sold out of lip balm for the whole month. And they were like, we're not gonna have any for the rest of the month. You can try online, you can try, all the stores are sold out. I think there's 6 stores in Paris. We're all sold out. We were like, okay, fine. But we were already in line, we'd already waited. We were like, let's just see what else they have. And so we went in, it's a whole like Apothecary vibe, Harry Potter, cool, like I love it. And they like super friendly and helpful. They went through everything. They have these perfumes that are, everything's all natural. Everything is like no preservatives, no like weird ingredients. It's all like natural ingredients like fruit and rose, like, you know, spices, herbs, things like that. So we went through the whole thing. There's all these perfumes you can smell and try. They have these little like old school perfume little things, smell the scents. They have body lotions and like other things with the same scent. And then you can also, besides the lip balm, you can personalize combs, hair combs, you can put personalized toothbrushes, other things like that. Got a few gifts, which are in another bag, which I'm not gonna show you because they're gifts and I'm not opening them. They're so nicely packaged and personalized. And then they also have candles and matches and things like all the like very nice scented things. So I went through everything. And then they also have skincare. So obviously I got the skincare. So we're gonna look at them and then I guess I'll try them on. Maybe I'll try them on. Should I try them on right now? These little, I'll do a shorts of me trying them on. Okay. So I got 5 things because you know I love it. Like, any skincare stuff they get me. So this is a nourishing face oil for dry skin, Moroccan oil. Okay, they're all 1 ounce. Then I got a revitalizing oil made out of almond, plum, and something else. Hydration. They were all around like 30 bucks. So like, you know, mid-level skincare prices. Sea buckthorn oil for anti-aging. And then Healthy Glow face and neck oil from apricot. And then a little eye roller, you know, for under eye. I don't know what it's made of. Okay, that's that. And then they gave me all these samples, which, you know, we love a good sample. Okay, then had to go to French Pharmacy, even though I have everything. I wanted to get doubles of things and get more stuff. The Civil Skin stuff, I got the cream last time, so good. I had to get more. I love this, so good. It's a little pricey. It's on the very pricey end of skincare. Civil Skin masks, and then I got a dozen Caudalie things because I love Caudalie so much. We have a anti-aging cream, another night cream, hyaluronic. These were all like 15 to 50-ish. Intensive hydrating cream. Vegan body butter. I'm really excited for this. A bunch of more sunscreen. I love sunscreen. It doubles. I love this one. I use this a lot. Got 2 more of those. This toothpaste, which is what they give you at the Ritz, is so good, and it's like all natural, and it's just so minty fresh. And I've seen a lot of other people get this, and so I got it. I mean, I already tried it. I love it. They keep little small packets, which I obviously took from the Ritz too. And then they have a mouthwash there that's really good too, the green one, but they were sold out, so I got the red mouthwash. But I have the little bottles from the Ritz too, so once those run out, I will refill it with these. This is from the flight. Another, like, it's like a 2 thing. I don't even know what this is. It's just another sunscreen, but it's like a liquid one. Very high protection sun water, invisible face, body, hair. Try that too. And then another hydrating cream. And then a bajillion samples, because we know we love my essay there, and she gives me samples all the time. She is the best. That's everything I got. Yay! Okay. 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 That's all. I think that's all. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for everything. Okay, short and sweet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies next. I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. Okay? Bye.